Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Celsius.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about the crypto called Celsius. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
As everything is today on the 10th of February, everything is currently jumping. As Bitcoin has literally just reached 45k today, and market cap is $1.4 billion. But as we know, the all-time high is $8, so we're still very much down from there, more than a 2x down from there, almost a 3x. So it's not looking good there, but obviously that means there's a lot of room to grow. But depending on what Bitcoin does, obviously that dictates what is going to happen. But on the macro terms, it's looking very bullish. As we see, out of $10.9 million total paid this week in Celsius rewards, which is absolutely insane. You've got to think that's in 1 week, and more than $104,000 in Luna was distributed as rewards. So lots of things going on there, and this is very bullish here with what's going on. And as we see here, they've come out with an app which has been out for a little bit, but start your journey towards freedom with $50 in Bitcoin. All you have to do is verify your account, enter promo code, and you get a free $50 worth of Bitcoin. But obviously this is with your first transfer of $400. There's always a small text there. No one's just giving out free money for nothing. They have to do the $400 and hold for 30 days, then you'll get $50. But it's still very cool. Unbank yourself, you know, you got your own bank with it. But so yeah, it's very interesting. Well, let's get into the technical analysis.
I'll go to the weekly time frame. You'll be able to see Celsius on a higher level. And as you can see here, we've just been dropping ever since. But this is ever since, I'll say the May crash. So I'm going to be looking to see if there's any other exchange, for example, Bittrex, that may show us even more. FTX, I think, is the one. So FTX is the only one that shows us a lot of data. So as you can see here, we have got an all-time low for FTX at around $1.98.75. So $1.9875. And at this moment in time, what we can see here, if I just refresh the chart, we have just been in a massive downward trend. And this is something that you've seen from almost every single cryptocurrency. Any crypto that has been on the, you know, the market for ever since May has been in a massive downward trend, and any rally has been seen with a massive sell-off. And this is something that we've seen many cryptocurrencies do, and it's still looking quite bearish in my opinion, especially from the recent market conditions. And as of right now, the market is pumping, therefore Celsius is pumping on a daily time frame. As you can see, we have got consecutive upward candles, but guys, you got to understand the recent market conditions. There has been a lot of bullish candles, bullish reliefs, bullish relief again, and that has been happening. For example, even here, you know, we had that bullish relief before we actually ended up dumping. So that's something that we are seeing happening many times, again and again and again. And you got to keep in mind that you just got to keep your capital preserved as of right now, in my opinion, to see what happens next with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is in, you know, a great stalemate where we can either drop or we can either have a great pump before we drop. So there's two scenarios that could potentially happen with Bitcoin. And regardless, I do think that we are expecting another Bitcoin drop. On the 4-hour time frame, okay, as you can see, we are making higher highs. Same with the hourly time frame. We are moving quite bullishly, as you can see. But you got to understand that if we do continue bullish, we have to reach a point where we have to reverse. And I do think that as of right now, we have got this maintained upward trend, but as of right now, Bitcoin is still moving higher, so therefore we have to wait to see that massive displacement before we can actually confirm that, you know, Celsius may want to be looking to drop even lower.
So that is it for this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this, then please make sure you press that like button and also press the subscribe button. It really does help us out. And yeah, thank you very much and have a lovely rest of your day.